Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In the previous video, we have discussed about the divisibility rules for 2 and powers of 2. Now we are going to learn about divisibility rules for 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10 and 11. So let's start from 3. Divisibility rule for 3. Sum of all the digits of a number must be divisible by 3. Means we just need to check whether the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3 or not. If yes, then the given number will also be divisible by 3. For example, this is a number. So, to check if this number is divisible by 3, we will add these digits. So, 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. That gives us 24. So 24 is completely divisible by 3. So that's why this number will also be divisible by 3. Next is rule for 5. The last digit of a number must be 5 or 0. Means we just need to check if the last digit of a number is 0 or 5. For example, last digit of this number is 0 and last digit of this number is 5. Therefore, these numbers are divided by 5. And last digit of this number is 1. Therefore, this number will not be divisible by 5. Now, let's see rule for 6. Number must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Means if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number will also be divisible by 6. For example, this is a number. First we have to check divisibility by 2. So you can see that this is an even number. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. Now, divisibility by 3. For this we have to add these all digits. So 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. That gives us 24. And 24 is completely divided by 3. That's why this number is divisible by 3. So, this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, we can say that this number is also divisible by 6. Next is rule for 7. So the rule is remaining number minus 2 times last digit must be divisible by 7. Means here we need to double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining number. For example, this is a number. So 4 is the last digit and 57 is remaining number. So remaining number minus 2 times last digit, which is equals to 57 minus 8, and that gives us 49. So 49 is completely divisible by 7. So therefore, this number will also be divisible by 7. Let's take another example. 3976, right? So 6 is the last digit and 397 is the remaining number. So remaining number minus 2 times last digit, which is equals to 397 minus 12, and that gives us 385. Now, if you don't know whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, then you can apply the same rule again. So here, last digit is 4 and the remaining number is 38. So, remaining number minus 2 times last digit, which is equals to 38 minus 10, and that gives us 28. So 28 is completely divisible by 7. Therefore, this number will also be divisible by 7. Next is rule for 9, and it is same as rule for 3. Sum of all the digits must be divisible by 9. Means we have to check that sum of these all digits is divisible by 9 or not. So 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6, and that gives us 45. So 45 is completely divisible by 9. Therefore, this number will also be divisible by 9. Now let's see rule for 10. The last digit of a number must be 0. So this one is very simple. Here we just need to check if the last digit of a number is 0. So last digit of this number is 0. Here 0. Here also 0. So these numbers are divisible by 10. Now the last divisibility rule is rule for 11. So here we have to check that sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places should be equals to 0 or divisible by 11. For example, this is a number. So odd places are 9, 7, 1, 3. So we have to add them. 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 minus sum of digits at even places. So even places are 8, 4, 7, 1. So 8, 4, 7, 1, which is equals to 20, and that gives us also 20. So 0. That's why this number is divisible by 11. We can take another example. For example, 616. So sum of digits at odd places. So odd places are these. 6 plus 6 minus sum of digits at even places. Even places 1, which is equals to 12 minus 1, and that gives us 11. So that's why this number is divisible by 11. I hope you all are understood.